So the first thing we have done here, we have mounted our Google Drive. Then we have installed the PySpark. Then we have imported the Spark session from the PySpark.sql module, and we have initialized the Spark variable for our Spark session builder. After this, we have imported the dataset file from our drive, and then we go through performing the analyzation part. Here we have first computed the shape of the dataset. Then we have presented it by the command df.show. This is the dataset. Then we have printed the schema of the dataset, as we can see here. After this, we have dropped the unneeded columns, or the columns which we don't need for analyzing our work here. And after dropping those columns, we have again printed our schema of the dataset. Then we have performed the df.describe command to see the various columns of the dataset. After that, we have dropped the duplicates if there are any, and then we have checked for the null values in the dataset with respect to each and every attribute. And after checking the repeated value or duplicate value or null value for every attribute, we have dropped the NA value, that is not a number value, for particular attributes, and the process continued. Then we have grouped the address type, junction type, lighting condition, and weather condition columns together to know at which particular address type, junction type, the accidents with most number has occurred. And then we moved on to the data visualization part, which is the main part of this notebook. We imported the particular library matplotlib.matplotlib. Here we have used the disk plot of the CPON to know at which particular address type the most counts of accidents has happened. Similarly, we have used the count plot to know at which weather condition the most number of accidents have happened. So as we can see here, when the weather is clear, most accidents have happened there, and intersection. Similarly for light count and ADR type. This is the pie chart which shows various lightning conditions where accidents have occurred, and similarly the other plots are also. Thank you.